Igana ria kuhurana na mirimu iria ikoretwo irehete kiendi muti guku bururi-ini na iria ingihota kwigitwo. Bururi wa Kenya ni urongoreirie kwamukira arigitani makiria ma igana rimwe kuma bururi-ini wa Cuba aria megukorwo magiteithiriria arigitani kuma guku bururi-ini kurua na mirimu itiganite na makiria mwena wa ithwiro ria bururi.
In collaboration with Cuba, the government expects to launch this year a malaria vector control project in the counties of Busia, Kakamega, Bungoma, Siaya, Kisumu, Migori, Homa Bay, Kisii and Nyamira, which, as you know, some of those that are worst affected by malaria in our country.
Gitugi kia ugima mwega wa mwiri arekio kiria gikirirwo na njira nene, bururi wa Kenya ni ugukorwo gituma arigitani 50 bururi-ini wa Cuba niguo magacirithie mathomo makiria ma kuthira macini cia kiriu kurua na mirimu ino, nake minista wa ugima wa mwiri thirikari agitanywo gutwarana na marigitari acio bururi-ini ucio.
Technology and medicines are to treat diabetes, foot ulcers, and vaccines for HIV positive people to reduce CD4 count, and also significantly reduce the ability to transmit HIV, is also part of the discussions that Cabinet Secretary Kariuki will be having.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Espisu ni haithoreti ati thirikari ni reketia guthugunda kamiti iria iramataga ngari iria iraingira mucii wa Nairobi. Igiri-ini ria kunina muthianiriro wa ngari mucii-ini uyu uria uteagira andu mahinda ona mbeca nyingi.
Uzinduzi wa uratibu wa haraka wa uchukuzi wa abiria kutumia mabasi pia umeandaliwa na mabasi ya kwanza 39 yananunuliwa wakati huu. Wakati ambapo pia uimarishaji wa muundo msingi katika barabara za Lang'ata, Waiyaki, Mombasa, Jogoo na Juja pia.
Kamiti ino ithugunditwo riri mihango ya kuingiria bathi cia BRT barabara-ini acio mwanya mabarabara-ini maria maigirite mucii wa Nairobi irikitie kurika. Oho thirikari ni ubite kamiti iria guteithiriria gutheria mucii wa Nairobi, akiuga kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe ukite gutiri giko gigukorwo mucii-ini uyu hamwe na gutheria ruwi rwa Nairobi.
Within 1 month, there should be no piles of garbage in any of the 85 electoral wards of the city of Nairobi. Also, a clean up of Nairobi River would have commenced. Environmental awareness campaigns would be underway, and programs for regular garbage collection should be in place.
Nari kunyihia mathina ma miikarire guku Nairobi, kuria kuri na unyihu munene wa manyumba, thirikari ni gwaka manyumba 30,000 cia thogora wa thi. Kuria gugwakwo nyumba ici ni mwena wa Makongeni, kuria gugwakwo nyumba 20,000. Mwena wa Shauri Moyo gugiakwo nyumba 5,000, na kwa mwena wa Starehe nyumba 3,000. Mwena wa Park Roads nyumba 2,000.
The team has set itself an ambitious delivery agenda covering 30 days, 3 months and 6 months. Much has already been discussed in the last few days about their 30-day agenda, so I will dwell a little more on what must happen within the next 6 months.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni atanyitwo gucera bururi-ini wa Ngeretha muthenya wa rucio, kiungano kia mabũrũri maria mari rungu rwa Commonwealth, uria atanyitwo kumatia ndugu ya bururi wa Kenya na mabũrũri ma Rũraya kiwonjoria, o ũndũ ũmwe na kuhurira irebe itugi inya iria iratwarithia thirikari ihinda-ini riri.